guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I was gonna unbox the Corally Dementor XP 6S, but it ended up the simple way that the box is just too big for my bench, so everything is taken out. We've got some paperwork that came with it. There's a transmitter, really cool body, big truck, heavy, almost 5 kilos. I believe that with the battery in it will probably be 5 kilos. Yeah, let's get that body off. So as you can see right here, it's got some really nice aluminum shocks, got a bit of anti-roll bar. I'm not sure how much it's gonna do though. Pivot ball suspension cups or suspension hubs, steel CVDs, look pretty good. Front differential, center differential, rear differential. Another anti-roll bar, big bore shocks in the back too. I might adjust the oil in them if I think they're a bit soft. Looks like a fairly steady truck. This one's a bit loose, but it's still in there. You're running the Varioprop CR7220. I've tried to find some specs on that. It's been really hard actually. They do have some upgrades for it with specs. I might end up that, but it looks pretty fast. We've tried it out a bit. So it's got a Torox 185, 150, 160 amp something, and it's got a Corally 825. It's just a 2050 kV motor. It's got some really nice and soft tires. Yeah, big wheelie bar. Not really sure how much it's gonna have to wheelie to actually get up on that bar. Rear CVDs in the back too, or rear steel drive shafts at least. Bit of a different suspension setup in the back. It's just pretty basic. Looks good though. Haven't really seen any complaints about the suspension on these. They seem to be doing fairly well. Even the tires, that they look a bit like China plastic, but they do really well, grip well. In the box you do get a antenna stick or pipe with a cap on. Not sure how much it's gonna do or where it's how it's gonna fit on the body. You'll probably have to make a hole.